Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do our last love bite for the month. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So Leo, let's start with a blessing from our angels to top the reading, and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, what do you have for Leo now? A blessing or an advice card for my Leo? Blessing or an advice card for my Leo gang? Sleep. Okay. I think, Leo, right now you are recuperating after something. You need some healing time, you need some time out. This is not the time to take action, and you're going to be resting your last few days of December, I think, and November, I think. So let's see why that is. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always showing up and being such a support to the channel. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. So Leo, this is going to be a mini read, 9-card spread, just to check your energies. See how you're feeling now, and if any of you need a private reading, my schedule for December is open now. You can email me on my email is in the description box below. So let's see. King of Pentacles in reverse. Not feeling at your best, it seems, Leo, right now. Little stressed out, up in your head, feeling things are not right, it's not fair. Maybe something happened, there was a fight or something, and right now, 1 second. So let me read the cards out. 8 of Swords, Justice, Knight of Swords, the High Priestess, the Sun, the 4 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Fool. So yes, Leo, it seems right now you're up in your head. All you can do is think. You feel things are not balanced, things are not right. There is no movement ahead, and you think it's really not fair, right? You feel this is really not fair of what I'm going through, and even though you maybe are wanting to take some action, all you can do right now is wait. Okay, you're waiting for your ships to come in, you're waiting for new horizons to open up. Right now, I think you feel you're just having a stroke of bad luck, that you're stuck somewhere, and all you can do is now plan for the future without being able to take any quick action in your life. So, Justice in reverse, Spirit. Justice in reverse. Yes, I think right now you're just kind of healing yourself from whatever has happened in the past. You are communicating that, I think, in a very straight way, and you are clear about the things that you now want or don't want in your life. Even though right now I think you're not taking any action, and you're still little bit wrapped up in the memories of the past, which have not really served you well. You're trying to use your intuition here, Leo. Your card is right in the center here. The Sun card is here, but it's in reverse right now. Even though the Sun card, upright or reverse, is still a happy card, you're happy, but not that happy. Okay? You're feeling a bit restless here, Leo, because you feel the things have really stagnated. All you can do is go within and think and imagine the best or worst or whatever you're thinking. But right now you're a little upset because there's a bit of stagnancy in your life. You really feel that things are not going in your favor right now. Things are not balanced. You're stuck, and you feel, yes, little isolated maybe at the moment. You feel isolated, left out in the cold, abandoned, not feeling your best at the moment. I'm sorry, Leo. You do have a lot of love here for somebody here, Leo, which you, I think, are not being able to express at the moment. But this is really making you a bit restless as well. You're not being able to take the actions in life that you need to. Maybe you want to go towards somebody with a love offer, or start something new, but something is stopping you here, Leo, which is making you a bit restless. You feel there is no new beginning happening right now. There's a lot of delay in your life. You're feeling upset and angry. You're feeling you don't have the power or the control to have this new beginning or find love or happiness in your life, and that's making you feel like a bit ungrounded. So why is the Fool card here, Spirit, in reverse? One. Why is the Fool card here for Leo? You want to get victory with somebody or something in your life, but right now there is no balance. Somebody is maybe not showing you interest, or you feel that maybe you don't want to do anything it'll be a foolish move right now. You don't want to do anything which will you're not being able to take that leap of faith forward at the moment, at least till the end of November. You really want it. You really want it. You see this as what you want, what you're looking forward to, but right now you are unable to take that fresh leap of faith and jump off that cliff. And that's what's leading you to feel very ungrounded and feeling there's no balance, right? So from Leo, what I see here, if you're resting it out, I think with the last few days of November, there is no forward movement. Even though you're in your planning stage, things have kind of halted. There's a bit of stagnation. Not to say it's not going to start again. This is just very temporary. So if you are in that stage, Leo, if there is something which is stalling your forward movement, just take that time to go within and do your planning at the moment. Okay, so let's see. What is the advice for my Leo? What's my advice for my Leo gang? Yes, Leo, this is the time I think you're shedding down old burdens now. You're turning your back to the past, but any new movement is still a bit blocked here. Page of Wands is in reverse. So maybe you want to start something new at the moment after ending something in your past, but right now the Page of Wands is in reverse, which means you're unable to take any fresh new beginning. Right now I think you just kind of healing yourself, unburdening yourself from all past regrets of anything that didn't work out in the past. A lot of regret and sorrow here. Maybe this is an important time for you to purge. If you're getting that opportunity, Leo, don't let that go, okay? Three of Wands. Yes, right now I think there's a lot of healing still required, and maybe it's a forced isolation. I think that universe has put you in so that you can deal with the old burdens one by one and be able to release them and come to terms with them. After all these secrets have been revealed, maybe there's been a fight of something in the past. I think you're on this very quiet journey as to releasing anything that was burdening you from the past. But why is the Page of Wands, Spirit, reversed right now for Leo? No forward movement, not feeling you have enough love in your life, and you're not being able to take any action towards it either for some reason. There is no coming together maybe with people around you, or your friends or family. There is something lack of celebration in your life because you're unable to take any forward action. You feeling a bit loveless. I'm sorry, Leo, because you're not being able to work towards new things right now. But maybe this is a very important time for you, Leo. You've been given this time to yourself to come to terms with your past before you can move forward. So yes, Leo, the Sleep card is actually for you to heal and spend some time easing out your mind, heart and soul, so that once you're out of the slumber, then Leo, you can move forward. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leo. See you in December now. Love and light. Namaste.